we can visit these quests. And I told you we'd revisit it. And all 9 of these quests help you build out your business infrastructure in different areas. If you're still trialing with me, you're going to have access to this very first one, getting started. Now, the reason I only give you guys access to this first one is because there's already so much that you need to do in 14 days. I didn't want to overwhelm you and try and give you all 9. That seems like a nightmare. So getting started is going to help you build out those first steps into your business infrastructure, really see how Sam is able to help you with this. Now, you'll notice that on the getting started, I have check marks on all of these different pieces. That means I've successfully created all of these different pieces. And not only do I have these pieces for context for my business, Sam also understands this context because it now can use this context to understand your business as well. So these things are, customer avatar, brand voice, social media strategy, testimonials and reviews, all of these things that are going to help move the needle, help bring leads into our business, help us grow our business, or areas of focus that we realize, oh man, I really need to figure out my social media strategy so that I can be posting in a regular cadence and really capitalize on, say, Meta's algorithm or LinkedIn's algorithm for finding me lots of people and sending them to my website. Now, from there, we've got other different areas. This marketing and lead generation is an incredible one for our lead focused efforts. You can see there's lots of different elements inside of this quest that range from marketing communication strategy all the way to affiliate marketing. Maybe those are things you want to, sales and negotiation, technology and automation, lots of things here for you to work through and start building out that business infrastructure. And then as you do, Sam's going to check mark that. Now, for some reason on one of these, it wasn't checked. That means I haven't started it. And all I need to do is click on what I want to start and then hit this little play button. And very similar to generating out our resources, Sam is actually going to say, okay, this is the specific resource you want to build. Let's ask some questions about this. And it's going to take us through to that generations area. So you've got a really familiar experience while you're building out these pieces of content. Again, after you complete it, Sam is going to use this.